This is Johnny. At the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Johnny, she likes to lie on her back and need the air. Yeah, there she goes. She's here with her sister Dolly. They're from the same litter. I'm not sure how bonded they are. They come from a home with a lot of cats and dogs. So they might like to be just together. Get some attention. Get lots of attention. They seem to be wanting to have a lot of attention. You're going to do a happy dance now, aren't you? Yeah. Whoops. Put your paw in the water. Oh my goodness, what a surprise that was, wasn't it? Oh, Johnny. What a little girl you are, huh? What a cutie. Hi, Johnny. Say, pat me, pat me, pat me, pat me. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Don't stop. Oh, oh my. Is she cute? You're a riot, Johnny. Gotta stop sometime, sweetie.